ChatGPT is the most famous AI right now. Ye AI esinze okumanyikwa mu nsi yonna era yezimu ku AI ezikyasinze okozesebwa mu nsi yonna. Most basically, I'm looking at helping the people where I come from also understand this technology and its use cases. So on this video, I need total beginners. Netagako muntu nga wakatandika okukozesa AI oba nga wakatandika okwemanyiza ebintu bwe biti. Mu video eno, because tulaba AI technology alinga technologies endala ezizze zibaawo mu nkulaakulana y'ensi. GPT kyeki? Kitegeera kitya? Ate gwe okitegeera otya? Okusingira ddala, so ba expert bwe baba bamaze okuvaako kweno video, olunaku olwaleero wali owulidde ku ChatGPT oba nga kyemanyisi gwe gusoose ogiwulirako. ChatGPT kyeki? Kitegeera kitya era gwe okitegeera otya? Ocommunicating otya nakyo? Kicommunicatinga kitya naawe? Prompting bye bimu ku bintu bye tugenda okutunuulira olwaleero. Tugenda kutunuulira brief overview. So mweno lesson tugenda kumanya basics zino ze zigenda okutuyambako mu kutegeera ChatGPT. So njagala twesibe ebisipi, funa kakopo ka akacaayi, notebook yo ne pen yo, oterere bwe budde bwa kiro webikeko ki blanket ku magulu kubanga tugenda kuba tutunulira GPT kyeki, okitegeera otya, ye kyo kitegeera kitya, ocommunicating otya nakyo, prompting otya nakyo, also see a brief overview, then tulabe lwaki sometimes kikuwa answers enkyamu. Njagala orifaringe oba oddeyo wetegereze video gye nakola eya AI kyeki, what is AI. So wobanga eyo video tewagiraba, I would refer eno osooke ogiveeko oddeyo olabe what is AI. Osooke obeeko byotegeeramu eyo video then ojje wano. Kitegeera. So ChatGPT nayo artificial intelligence model, naye baziyita LLM. Twakyogerako mu video yaffe eyise nti they are called LLMs because they are LLMs in full is large language models. Now GPT nayo large language model. Kigambo bato kitegeera, it's okay, first calm down. I'm dealing with beginners here. Yes, I need to help you so that you can also understand this stuff like a layman. So ChatGPT egwa mu bika bya AI models etuyita LLMs. LLMs ze zino AI models ezikola ekintu kye bayita natural language processing through text and voice, nga oyogera nazo oba ne audio, yeah, with text or voice. Kitegerekese. ChatGPT ye AI model eyateebwa mu mwaka gwa 2022. Okay? Yateebwa mwaka gwa 2022 okuva mu research company, okuva mu AI research company gye bayita OpenAI. Era ebiseera ebyo era yali ekulemberwa oba nga ekyakulemberwa omwami gwe bayita Sam Altman. Sam Altman ye mwami akulembera OpenAI. Era nga OpenAI be bakabaka abakola Sora. What was the motive? Kyekyali ekigendererwa kyabwe? Sam Altman kakiiko keera ebiseera ebyo yaliko ne Elon Musk, kojja wange namubagambako mu video eddira munaye. Amawulire malungi nnyo nti kati twatuuse akatabalikwa. Era munaye tonneepankirako. My uncle is worth $1 trillion. Come easy. What was the motive for them to create ChatGPT? they had a motive that we need to create an artificial intelligence that directly communicates, or that a personal assistant, an AI assistant that communicates with humans. Kyekyali kibasindikiriza. And they gathered a lot of data all over the internet, fed into this model. They did all their coder stuff, and yeah, created the code ne team yabwe yonna gye bayina nga batukubako AI assistant eno. So ChatGPT kika kya LLM era nga AI assistant gy'osobola okwogera nayo with text of voice. Kitegerekese bannange? ChatGPT eno ekozesebwa mu ngeri nnyingi. Osobola okugyeyambisa okusingira ddala okukola oba okukola ebiwandiiko. Yes, like writings. Or I will use this word, copy. Mukozeseza ChatGPT okuwandiika emails. Right now emails eziri handwritten oba eziri manually typed on the internet ntini nnyo kuziri GPT generated. Mukyekoze. Naye tugenda kuba tweyongera okulaba use cases entuufu n'okugikozesaamu mu ngeri eyamba. So ChatGPT okusingira ddala abantu bagikozesa ku generating writings n'okukola research. Kakati ChatGPT obudde wano we tuli yafuuka kye bayita simplified Google. Simplified Google. Are you guys seeing that? Hope I'm not distracting you. Mukitegedde? ChatGPT njagala okubategeeza nti ChatGPT esobola okukola n'ebifaananyi. It can generate images. We all know that. ChatGPT is being used as a simplified Google. Nti edda when you needed something from the internet, you would Google it up and have to look through the first 5 websites that have ranked in that keyword you're searching for, olaba oba onoofunamu information akuyamba. Whereby nti kati ChatGPT AI model eri connected to oba eri trained on a lot of data. Nti yo ejja kgenda ekebere internet yonna ejje ekuwe answer. We spoke how these answers come about, how AI works in our previous lesson. Yeah. Now, so kati mu kufuuka simplified Google okusingira ddala abantu bagikozesa for research. Kitegeerekese ekyo? Okusingira ddala abantu bagikozesa for research nti omuntu waba alina kye yeebuuza ku AI yonna, GPT it up, afunye answer ye. Okay? Now, waliwo kye bayita tokens. Tokens tujja kuba tuzoogerako. I will make a lesson about this. Tutegere tokens kyeki. Naye nga tokens ze yengeri Sam Altman ne banne bano abakuwa omukulu ono engeri gye bakuchargingamu babasinziira ku kino. Nkikuddiremu nti Sam Altman eyakuwa GPT asinziira ku kye bayita tokens okukucharginga. Okay? Basinziira ku kino Sam n'akakiiko ke aka OpenAI abakuwa GPT basinziira ku tokens okuggyako akasente. Okitegeera? So jjukira GPT erina free plan, erina ne paid plan. Okitegeera? Kati nti waliwo abilities za GPT ezimu z'otasobola kufuna oba superpowers ezimu z'otasobola kwanlockinga oba tosoose kubawaayo kasente if you're not on the paid plan. Okay? And this happens with all LLMs, but tukitegeere bwe tuti, mukitegedde nti basinziira ku tokens okukyajinga. So beginner yenna ali atandika obutandisi, kino ekintu nakyo okisanga mu ki birowoozo. Tujja kuba tukitunuulira eyo mu maaso, just awo nkubiddeko. Kakati nti babaakinga ebigambo gwe ne GPT bye mu interactinze, w'obanga nga okozesezza message, w'obanga ogiweerezza message, obanga otaddemu prompt, kye bayita prompt, ngenda kikunnyonnyolako awo mu maaso in the lesson. W'obanga otaddemu prompt ennene, let us say bayinza okuba bakukyajinga $10 per million tokens. Ba million tokens babaakinga ebigambo ne bagroupinga ebigambo gwe ne GPT bye mu interactinga. Oyinza okuba ogeneratinga script ya cartoon naye ng'egenda fulumira mu bigambo 7, naye nga naawe mu prompt yo otaddemu ebigambo 708, bajja kubibaakinga balabe tokens ezirimu, then kwe basinziira okutema. So buli message gy'oteekamu nga babala. We will look at it in front. So that is how you and GPT communicate. So waliwo prompting. With prompting, this is the art of you communicating with this AI model okufuna accurate results. A vague prompt, fena tukimanyi, it is equal to a vague result. Vague, njagala otunulemu example eno. Generate me a story. Gendo after here, okay, this is homework actually. Write this somewhere in your notebook that you're watching with, because you can't be on this channel without a notebook. Now write this in your notebook. Wandika vague prompt. I'm waiting for you. Wandike vague prompt and accurate prompt. A vague prompt and an accurate prompt. We'll be splitting one this side, one the other side. Ku vague prompt wandike, generate me a story of a beautiful girl. Generate me a story of a beautiful girl. I assume that you've written that. Then in the accurate prompt wandike, imagine you are Shakespeare living in the medieval ages of the 1800s. Imagine you are Shakespeare living in the medieval ages of the 18,000s, sorry. And you have gone through an experience of love. You have fallen in love with a woman, a very beautiful woman whose beauty has shaken all empires of Rome. A woman all kings have admired. A woman that has been superior in the world of beauty. You are requested, or you are required, to write a story about her that is close to 3 chapters. This is a childhood story targeted to kids that are aged 8 years to 16 years. Use the simplest vocabulary you can. Make it easy to be understood by kids. Are we together? And then after, you are supposed to close it you are supposed to close it 10 amazing metaphors or quotes to pick from the story. There is a difference between that prompt and this. So after keeping that, you can rewind and get the words well. And now, after writing that in your notebook, after this lesson, I want you to paste the first vague prompt in GPT, olabe story jenekuwa, then okebere neno, olabe story jenekuwa. You leave for me the comments there. I always reply to every comment. So now, I want to show you why does GPT give wrong answers. This is what we call AI hallucinations. Yeah, AI clearly also gives wrong answers. Have you confidently lied sometime? Yeah, you know that you're lying, but you decide to continue to lie, and I'm like, fuck it, I'll just lie. This is what we call AI hallucinations. In a situation nga AI ekuwa answers eziri totally wrong. Kino ekintu ne GPT ekisobola. But how do we stop AI hallucinations? There are clearly very many ways. Okusinziira gwe ku use cases zo, eno njagala obeere sure nti olunaku lusobola okukya nga GPT eno ekuwa answers enfu. Okay? Nekuwa statistics ezitaliiyo ne gambolinga facts, naye tukisolvinga tutya wano. Oba okola research, oba ogeneratinga images, oba you writing copy, but okusingira ddala it applies to people that are doing research, oba abantu ababaako kye banoonyereza, abali mu gikozesa nga simplified Google. Mujja kulaba bagguru bangi on the internet that are telling you, hey, you're still using GPT as a simplified Google, you're leaving productivity on the floor. Bro, you still need to equip your brain with information. Don't fear. Use it as a simplified Google. It's okay. Equip yourself with knowledge. This is just a middleman between you and knowledge. Tokkiriza muntu kuvuga speed. Some guru is telling you,
you're leaving productivity on the floor, stop using GPT. It's okay.
GPT is just a middleman between you and knowledge. That's it. Now, mbadde nkugamba ku wrong answers zino. AI eno weekolera hallucinations. Okusingira ddala, for the people that are using it for research, make sure you always do this. Mu prompt gy'otaddemu, mu message gy'oli mu kusindikira GPT nga onoonyereza, making sure you always do this. Ask for links. Ask for links. Last time, my beautiful mother asked me, and she told me, "Bana, you guys, mukozesa mutya application benange nyiza." And I was like, "Mom, it's okay." So you have to always make sure that if you're asking GPT something, please always make sure that ask for links where it is getting that information. Include it in your prompt always. Okay? So, kakati nzikiriza nti beginner yenna eyakatandika okukozesa AI oba okwemanyiiza GPT amanyi GPT kyeki kati, nti eno just AI assistant gy'osobola okuinteractinga nayo with text. Era nzikiriza nti ogitegeera kati kikyekola. Omanyi encommunicatinga yaayo, naawe gy'ocommunicatinga nayo, otegeera okupromptinga. Oba tonnakitegeera, prompting, we'll look at it in the next video. So right now nzikiriza nti kati buli beginner aina idea ku GPT, oina ensonga lwaki you have to keep it installed in your phone, and you know what it is supposed to help you with. We will look at prompting more detailed in the next video, but try out that assignment I've given you. So tujja kuba tutandikira awo with prompting. And now you clearly now know a brief overview of ChatGPT and what is it and what it is. So you can now stop it from giving you wrong answers. Start with that little superpower. Keep moving with it. You understand? I want to tell you that do not fear AI. This is not going to replace anyone. This is just here to help anyone. You now clearly have at least a clear image of what GPT is. You understand me? And now you can properly use it. We'll look at prompting and communicating with it more detailed, in a more detailed phenomenon in a video that I will do next time, or in a lesson we'll conduct next time. You've been really nice and beautiful students. I really love you so much. Hope to see you soon.